First race, we already made the A mark. Set the spin perfectly, I might add. Tom was up there being the foredeck. We're cruising along at 3.2 knots. What's the course, Tom?
AC.
Just AC?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're doing ACA.
Okay.
So what's the best way to stuff it in the bag? Try to get the middle?
Yes.
Okay.
Leaving both clues out.
Yeah.
Okay, pull in, Anthony. Okay, good.
So you have to grab that sheet there.
I got it right here. Okay, the black line is tight again. Can you open the clutch?
Not yet.
Without a spinnaker, this boat does not go down the end.
No.
We'd turn the corner and stop.
Wow.
Okay,
Well, the cat's not doing what I thought it would do.
Anthony, out a little bit. Good. Let me get it nice and round. It seems counterintuitive. High wind, you have it all tight and straight.
Right.
Light wind, you have it
Billowy.
yeah.
To catch.
3.2. Nicely done, Tom.
That was pretty good.
You rocked.
Yeah, I thought it was going to be a shit show.
It looks like you've done this before.
I like to observe.
He saw YouTube.
Yeah.
Now he's a pro.
Well, I figure I better look better than you two, no disrespect, but
The pressure was on.
yeah, I gotta step my game up.
Yeah, you got a shirt. You got at least look like that.
But it says trimmer.
I know.
Doesn't say foredeck.
Be up here.
We gotta get some stencils and some paint. Gotta be reversible. Well, it looks like they're in the wind.
Yeah, the lines right there.
And we're doing 3.3, 3.2.
You see the pen, right?
Yes. You see I'm aiming towards it.
Right.
Okay. That is a great looking spinnaker right now.
Yeah. Let's just call it a day.
Can we go home now?
It can only get worse.
Well, we got to get one race under our belt.
True.
And then we can measure how poorly we do with drinks. Okay, prepare to jibe that spinnaker. We're going to let him do the spinnaker. You can pull the main. No, wait,
No.
on the main.
But someone's got to. So
Okay.
when do you want me to start?
Now.
Whenever I want to?
Now,
And I hold on to this, right?
yeah. See, now I'm holding that sheet close for you.
Grabs that.
Get it. Oh, shit.
Get it?
Okay, here, I'm turning. It should come back to you. Oh, sorry. There you go. Good job. You missed. It came out.
Okay. Then that goes there. Looks like it comes in on
Here, I'm going to try to bring it. Oh, I don't have to. Okay, ease yours, Anthony.
Bring it forward.
No, I wanted you to ease it so he could get that in there. Otherwise, sometimes it'll pull too tight.
Right. Okay.
We had a little bit pulled up, but it's looking good now. Okay.
gonna bring it over, right?
Yeah, you can let.
You got the working sheet, right?
Yes. No, don't let it out all the way. The wind's still behind us a lot, so stop right there. Okay, main out. Only a little. Right there. See, the thing is, you bring the spinnaker into the wind until the top just starts to curl in a little bit.
Right. That's on your side that you're doing it, right?
No, actually, you would be bringing it over. Oh, now you have actually the working sheet.
Okay, I got it.
So I think I messed it up when I took it out, but I fixed it. Because this is now...
Oh, yeah, that's not a good thing.
It's got to be over it.
How did it get in between there? Okay, yeah, come back to the mast.
No, it's got to go on that side.
It can't go through there, so you're still, come all the way back. There you go. Okay, let out a little, Anthony. Out. There you go.
So, when we lower this, Anthony, we gotta bring the pole down first.
So release the top and lift.
Okay. Evan, get the jib sheet ready on that winch. 3 wraps. You're
So
going to be pulling that out.
Round, I'll unclutch that and then just lower it down for you.
Yeah, but be careful underneath it.
Yeah.
Okay. Also, what I want is take the Traveler all the way up. What all lines you got here?
Traveler all the way up.
Traveler? Yes. Move the Traveler up. Pull it to your side.
Okay, that's it.
There we go. Good. There, that helped the spin too. Okay.
So do I release the line from the pole?
Yes. Get ready to drop it. Okay. Take the jib out. Evan, go. Okay. Start dropping the spinnaker.
Okay, spinnaker here.
Okay. Watch him. Watch him. Okay.
Right?
Okay, take this jib in. Take the jib in.
I dropped the pole.
Evan jib.
Okay, Tom?
Evan jib. There we go. Excellent. Good. Here. Watch the spreader. Okay. Okay, all yours.
Okay, pull the halyard.
Blown away, copy?
White. No. White.
It's marked halyard.
I know, I said
Okay.
halyard.
That means you gotta go on the other side of that pin.
Lower the pole.
Between that pin and the starting
The
line.
blue. Yeah,
Good job, guys. It may have felt like a cluster, but everything went smoothly. Got sail out, set.
I have your copy for the blues, okay, Tom?
Okay.
Alright. Yeah.
Okay, now look at your winch. The line wasn't moving at all. Gotta get it snug. Good. Need an extra pair of hands up there? We're set back here. Okay, yeah. Anthony?
Which handle for here is...
Oh, I had to put it down because it can't be in the winch when you're. It's right here. Right here. be in the winch when we're about to turn or go down. Doesn't matter that we're not fast. It matters we don't make mistakes. Oh shit, it's going too far. I got a tack. Get that pole down. Tom, stop everything else. Get that pole down. Okay, prepare to tack.
Yeah.
Okay, watch the shifting. We're tacking. Go. Wait, you got a line snag. Pull the traveler out, Kevin.
Traveler up?
Traveler up.
Traveler up?
Okay, now you can go.
Alright.
Stop. Okay, yeah, we may need to go. Wait a minute. Yeah, come in a little. Just, okay, it's a 2-speed winch. Stop. Yeah, there you go. Good. Okay, wait, now I got this. I'm gonna adjust for our speed. need practice.
Yeah. That one, that's an operation.
Spaghetti. There's a lot going on all at once. But most of sailing, it's, you know, hours of boredom punctuated by, you know, seconds of sheer terror.
It sounds like combat.
Well, I'm guessing we took that.
With an amateur crew, you took it?
No, we have a pro up there. And, well, an amateur back there.
Yeah, 50-50.
Yeah. Tom, you weren't watching. I'm sitting back here. I'm seeing everything that you were doing, I'm sure felt like a cluster. But things happened and we were sailing. We were under power. We were under power a lot faster.
So you're saying I'm better than Jeff?
Turn the camera off. No, Jeff, we need you.